want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, July the 2nd. I posted this chart and I talked about how these previous support become future resistance. And I said, do not get caught in a breakdown of this rising wedge. For upside ideas, bulls need to flip 31,800. Never happened. Right? It's posted on July the 2nd. Plan A, plan B. All you have to do is write down the plans and let the charts tell you what to do. You can set your alerts. You can right click these on Tradingview, right click this one, set your alerts. You can get an email to your phone, sirens going off in your house. You've got to take advantage of this technology. I mean, if you could only imagine the high frequency trading bots that stock traders are using for Bitcoin, the bots of the future, right? If you can't set simple one click, here, I'll show you. One click, add alert on horizontal trend line, and then create, bang, it's that easy, right? So now the weekly idea where, again, plan B played out. Hopefully you took profits, closed your longs on that idea, and you didn't get hit with a bunch of this downside. We opened up a ton of shorts in the group, and that was amazing. Now we need to look at the current situation. Again, you don't have very much volume down here. Not a lot of people trading this market, so real easy to move the price. Imagine this as a double top possible. You don't want to get a weekly close below 25,500, right? This support level right here. If you do get a breakdown, this double top, you can basically measure the distance as far as the measured move goes, and you pull it down here, and that's going to give you a move close to $20,262. What happens quite commonly is after a breakdown, you get a falling wedge, right? And so will you get like a wick down to close to 20,000 and then it gets bought up and this becomes the bottom trend line of this falling channel and Bitcoin continues to work in this downtrend? The most important thing is, remember, if you hold downtrends on any specific asset, over time you take losses. Same thing happened here. And I preached the entire complete destruction of the prices in crypto. Like, do not hold altcoins in the downtrends. Like, it doesn't make sense. We sold real close to the top, took profits, and a lot of people just waited. Now leverage trading has changed the game. Make a MEXC account, killing it. There's a VIP link for MEXC in the description. Sign up. They have a demo account. You don't even have to, it doesn't cost anything. You can just practice. It's like a video game. It's a very easy trading platform for longs, and key is shorts. You want to make money in this market going both ways. Remember, right now, weekly's not closed yet, but it will be shortly. The 200 simple weekly moving average has been broken. Again, can the bulls buy back up into this pattern? The Bitcoin daily chart, not amazing. You've got huge volume spike, right? This confirms the move to the downside. You've now lost the 200 simple moving average. If you take the measured move of the double top, which hasn't been confirmed, it would be confirmed at breakdown about, like we just talked about, 25,200. You take the measured move down here, could be 19,500. And again, it doesn't mean straight there, right? Imagine some type of falling wedge where this thing just bores you to death. You look for some type of bounce at the lower trend line. If it plays out, you zoom into the lower term time frames, you find like a falling wedge in here or a double bottom, and then you look towards the top of the range. But this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a downtrend, macro daily downtrend, and it's not going to be pretty for the market. That's why I encourage you to start shorting these coins, because you can make money trading both ways. Bitcoin 4-hour chart, again, this thing fell off a cliff after this huge wick to the downside where there's a bunch of panic selling. You had the RSI all the way down to a level we haven't seen in years, 4.43. Haven't seen this in a couple of years, this low. on the 4-hour time frame. So there's a ton of selling happening, not a whole lot of volume, so it was easy to move the price. Bitcoin headed lower. Now, oversold bounce ideas are in effect. Like, you come down here and you can easily bounce based on the amount. Look at how oversold this is. It's insane. Look at this volume spike. When I say let volume be your guide, this is what I'm talking about. Like, see this volume spike? How does this compare to any volume spike we've seen? Here's a pretty big one. But all through here, no volume anywhere near what we saw. Before you start loading your bags with all these altcoins, which we said was very time specific on how close we are to the halving, Bitcoin possibly breaking down, which has now happened, you can see a lot lower prices out of the altcoins. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my leverage trading group. So again, just from today, 138%, 108, 87, 76, 75, 69, 19, 18, 16, 110, 190, 21, 23. Right now, cheapest prices ever, 60% off plus $100 off 6 months or $200 off 13 months. Go to cryptorev.net, use leverage 100 for $100 off, the coupon code in the checkout cart, leverage 200 for $200 off. One of the best ways to explain how the group works is this: follow the leader. I just followed the setups, this person said. Makes a huge difference when there is some real direction. We have people calling each play. They stay on top of the plays. And so it's not just like random posts that aren't followed up with. Brand new trader, 35% gains, 154%, 41%. Again, you've got to build your bags up while this market is clearly bearish. And so this has just been an amazing opportunity that I'm happy that I finally pushed out, right? Just from the last few days, you see just tons of bangers. This person came out and made a very good and obvious statement. He said, I keep trying to get more of my friends involved, but everybody's too scared to invest. I tell them within the next couple of years, there's going to be life-changing money here to be made. And he's right. I want to show you a gold ETF, parabolic price action. You know, as soon as one of these spot ETFs gets pushed through, explosive move higher. Bitcoin halving, explosive move higher. There's so many, good, solid foundation put in place by the United States government. All the big players dip their toes in the market, start investing their customers' money into Bitcoin. Some of the larger altcoins, whole market takes off. I started getting calls at $65,000 Bitcoin. I hadn't heard from these people in years. And they're like, aren't you in Bitcoin? How do I get in Bitcoin? As soon as you hear that, I'm taking some profits. I'm locking some profits in. I'm selling percentage, right? Because when everybody starts talking about it, that's your time to sell. Right now, nobody wants anything to do with it. I'm not saying this is the bottom, but your emotions need to be counter traded because they're wrong most of the time. Right now, there's a lot of fear in the market. Yesterday, it was neutral. Last week, it was neutral in the 50s. Now, probably even more so fearful because Bitcoin rattled the market. This is the total too. And so we talked about this previously. Look at the date, June the 6th. June the 6th. We'll say 2 months, 2 weeks ago. You see, you have a bull trap and a huge drawdown. You have a bull trap and a drawdown. Could you get a bounce here? Plan A, plan B. This is the top 125 altcoins, total market cap. Will get wrecked if this trend line is broken. So here's your bull trap, right? Bull trap, bull trap. You see a breakdown of this level. You actually get a bounce at support and a bearish retest. This is a kiss of death. We talk about it all the time. And you get a bearish retest, altcoins got wrecked. Now, if you get a breakdown of this level right here, you've got shoulder, head, shoulder, confirmation level right all along here. Now, let's take the measured move just to see where altcoins will be at if this gets confirmed. And this is not going to play out in a day, but you're looking at a potential move down here to $343 billion. What percentage loss would that be in the altcoin market? And I'll show you why shorting ideas, if this breaks lower, It'll be like altcoin season upside down, period. Easiest money you can make in this market. You got to adjust to what the market's giving you. I know a lot of people are scared of shorting the market, scared of leverage. It's real simple. Use a small amount. We've got constant live streams in the leverage group. 33% downside possible if this breaks lower. All the altcoins, you get an average 33% drop. This is going to crush the altcoins if this is confirmed. The altcoin bulls need to push this higher. The first gold ETF that was listed on the New York Stock Exchange was on November the 1st, 2004. And gold went completely parabolic from $100 to $1,800. A spot Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock especially, and you're going to see crazy parabolic price action. You add to that the Bitcoin halving, we're setting ourselves up for one of the most insane bullish markets. It's going to be crazy. No matter what, Bitcoin halving is coming in April. 2 months before that, sometimes 4 months before that, we've seen the run up start. Okay, so understand we're getting a lot closer. For now, you just have to work with what the market is giving you. Go to cryptorev.net, join the group. I'm telling you guys, you'll never look back. No group, I'm here to help you every single day. Should to drag you to the top of this market with me. Make sure and stay tuned. Keep watching these videos. We'll get you up to speed. There's new ideas, new trading ideas, new indicators, anything that can benefit you as a trader. Come up. I'm going to make sure and cover it. A lot of news catalysts that will make this market take off. You have to start planning millionaires are made in the bear markets, right? When the market's getting completely crushed and you're looking for entry ideas. But what I propose is that you wait for the downtrend to change and you wait for the bullish breakout of these downtrends. So keep you guys updated every day. Like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much for your support. I'll see you guys tomorrow.